Hello and welcome back to another video. And today we're doing a bit of an autopsy on this thing, which is a memorex 16 gigabyte flash drive that came in like a pack of 2. Here's the package, and it's 16 gigabytes. In the fact that it reports as like 32 gigabytes, more specifically 28.8 gigabytes, which is that's just weird. Like normally if they were to normally the way these scam USBs work is they label it they put like a low capacity thing in NAND flash, program in a specific way to report it as higher, and then market it at that price. This is reverse. We have it's marketed as 16 gigabytes, but it's high capacity. I don't know if I don't know why it's like that. They like all these like defective 32 gigabyte NAND flashes that were binned, and Memorex did a really shitty job of programming the controller. I don't know. Anyway, this one is being weird because it won't work on most of my computers. On my XP machine, Windows complains about unable to start error 10, which, you know, very descriptive. Windows, yeah, thanks. Linux gives a much more useful answer with error -110 when it was reading the USB descriptor. However, I said most of my computers. This thing can still read it. This cheap ass, old ass tablet, which also supports USB OTG. Meanwhile, that Asus tablet up there doesn't. Fucking jealous. Should work. Or not. Yeah, I mean, it worked the last time I checked it. It, D-message complained was like referencing like resetting the port and weird shit like that. Oh hey, look, there's the weird OTG bit in the kernel log. Take note, early 2010s Asus. Fucking cunts. Also have like a Nexus 7 lying around. The Nexus 7 honestly has aged fucking terribly and is a slow piece of shit. Oh, now it's mounted. That took a while. But this is not a video about tablets. This is a video about a weird USB thing. USB flash drive. We D-message again. I don't know why, but like this weird cheap shit just for the most part works. While the expensive stuff like just doesn't. Has anyone else like seriously? I don't get it. All right, SCSI 2,0,0,0,0. I think I said 0 too many times. Direct access. Memorex USB flash drive. SDA, blah blah blah, 5 kilobytes, logical bytes, 31 gigabytes, 31. Weird. Wouldn't it be like 30? Oh, fucking, I don't get it. Maybe there's a bit of wearing space, like when NAND cells where, I don't know. I'm pretty sure that revolves around the internal battery and powering the USB port. Where is the thing? Okay, there's that. Reset port. New high-speed USB device number 5 using software HCD host 0 instead of like SDA1, or instead of just SDA or SDB, no, or just MMC block. No, we're gonna use weird obscure device names because I don't know. Is this even in? Nah, you can read it. Reset port stopped. Spurious? What? USB 1/1. New high. Oh, wait, yeah. Reset port. Yeah, I don't know. We go. It's here. Can we create a new thing? Whatever. Yeah, I don't get it. Let's just unmount. Oh yeah, I did actually partition this to have like a, I think a 512 megabyte swap partition at the beginning. However, if it was just a weird partitioning issue, then you'd still be able to see like the drive and its contents, and you'd be able to like reformat it, but it wouldn't like cause weird USB power issue things. You know, how do you open this? Yeah. I have like this this one USB stick that I got like from a weird Christian Spark thing. I don't know, which I kind of call the Jesus stick. Which I actually thought they was giving away knives at first, because from afar it uses a metal case, so it looked like a knife from somewhat far away. But no, they were selling USB sticks. Well, not selling, giving away USB sticks. It's like a promotional thing for a church. That is not working. No, that's not gonna happen. What other instrument of torture can I use? Yes. Don't really want to ding this up. Even though it's broke, I don't know. Oh, that was promising. Maybe not. What is the fuck? Ow. I don't exactly feel like impaling myself on a Friday, thank you very much. Or on any day, to be frankly honest. Damn it. Okay, so it's out slightly. It really makes you wonder how they actually make these things. How they actually put these damn things together. You can barely even take the damn stuff apart. Let me just pause, right? got it apart. Yeah, let's have it slightly off center so I can still like. Oh, I have an idea. I'll ride the white horse. So, Paul, did you ride the white horse? It's gonna be a weird ass reference for some people to figure out. There we go. Now I can like see the center of the frame. Yes. Made in Taiwan. Fucking weird geopolitical mess that is. And I've never seen this package of one of these USB stick packages being like this. I can't. What does that say? The brand is Phison, which is Phison. Takes glasses off. PS2251/70/325 UB2001C S2ARN. God, this text is tiny and I'm fucking teenager. Jesus Christ. Like, come on, guys, write it bigger. Like, God. No wonder older people have trouble with shit. S2ARN1CC, I think. God, that's tiny. And that's covered. I have a chalk pen, which isn't a permanent marker. The way it works is you write on it, and it leaves like this weird residue on whatever you've written that can be easily wiped away. It's very useful for like getting the stuff on the chips to show up. Oh, brilliant! It's doing that. Yeah, thanks for that, guys. Thanks. Oh, fuck, it's so... screw it. Damn it. Oh, well. Whatever. It's not like most people are gonna, like, come in here to, like, inspect if it's, like, original or something. That would just be weird. Okay. So, it's marked HVKK4FJ. And below that is K21928K. And kind of stamped in ink on it is... Which way would you put that? Oh, I think it's this way. D space 1, another space, and ST. Whatever that means, I don't know. Yeah, let me go look those chips up. Well, I looked the chip numbers up, could find literally nothing for that, so that's for the NAND flash, which, you know, that's just brilliant, because, you know, that's the thing I actually wanted to look up, although, that did bring up, a shop for, like, was it 64 gigabyte? I don't know, for, like, another USB flash drive, and it's, like, 4 times 64 gigabyte. So I don't know if... I don't know. So fucking weird, though. That's just a regular, standard, just a regular, USB 2.0 USB flash drive controller. Really? Nothing special. Where give me the sticker? Is there anything on here? Quick side note, but yeah, it doesn't really inspire confidence when that shows up when I look up the part number that's on the sticker. Yes. Spoiler alert. It didn't show anything up. In fact, that Google search I showed up. Yeah, that was just a ton of uh, of why is my flash drive smaller than it actually is, type stuff, when I kind of have the opposite problem, and, well, that's not really a problem. The problem is this doesn't really work properly. Yeah, that's just, yeah, brilliant. That's just brilliant, isn't it? Yeah. Good job, Sandisk. Yeah. I don't know. Can't think of a good insult right now. Just not impale myself with the USB port. That would be bad. Put that back together and ignore the stuff and I don't know. Try to port like post Market OS to this thing. I don't know, something else.